What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Terrence Gibson here with another awesome FastBNB video. Yo, this thing is kicking butt, taking names, kicking butt and taking names. And I just thank God for just being able to be a part of this platform and being told about this platform so early in the beginning. I know it was 30 days in, but it still was not like, it was like a sect of people that I know, but don't normally market with. So I didn't see it until I seen it. When another one of my guys that was with me in another program came and told me about this program. So if you get people in the programs, listen to what they got to tell you about the programs that they're in. You can't just be always wanting to recruit people. No, we don't work like that. We go back and forth. And this thing right here is a banger. I mean, thank you, Lord, for sending Sadiq my way. All right, so we're gonna go ahead. When you come in, when your MetaMask is connected, you'll always see your wallet at the top. This is after you already paid and came in. If you haven't paid yet and came in, you got to come here and make sure your MetaMask is set up. Your MetaMask has to be set up. It has to be BSC set up. So that means when you come in here, your smart chain has to already be done. I have a video on that. You go to add network and you put everything in there that you're supposed to put in here to make sure that this thing is done. And that you got to have the smart chain in there, because you do Ethereum, it's not going to work. Smart chain, do not lose your money playing around. You got to come in here, you got to click add network. I'm just going to show you what it's going to look like. And then you'll put in all the information that's in my in the Telegram group. I have everything laid out that you put in these boxes and click here. This does not connect you to me. This only connects you to the BNB blockchain, Binance Smart Chain blockchain. That's what it connects you to. These links, the stuff that you're going to put in there has nothing to do with me. You can Google it, check it out. It's not like I'm connecting your account to my account. This is only connecting you to, and how you would know, just Google a video that says how to connect MetaMask to Binance Smart Chain. You're going to see the same information. And that's where we got it from. So you'll have that, and that will get you connected straight to the Binance Smart Chain. So we'll go ahead and get rid of that. Go back here. And make sure you like and subscribe, people. I see we're growing. So I ain't gonna get on too many people, but make sure you like, subscribe, rock that bell over there so you can get all my notifications. And every time I post a video, like I do 2-3 a day, you're gonna get all those bells. Bing, 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 bing. Yo, the brother is putting another video up. So you'll see on mine, it's just got some gas fees in there. That's all that's enough for, really, some gas fees, because I don't even know how much that is. But if point 0.1, I think it's like 4, depending on whatever BNB is today, 0.1 would be that's right, we figured out how to do it. Let's do it again. It's account, one account, it was swap. All right, swap. So let me see, 0.1, $48. So 0.004194. It's enough of them gas fees. Hopefully it's enough of them gas fees, but we'll find out. We're about to find out real fast. Okay, let's see. Slippage tolerance, 3%, 2%, whatever it is. It's working out. Because why you don't care too much about the slippage and the fees? Because you make the money as soon as you go. I know you're tired of hearing me talk. Let's get back to what you came here for. FastBNB. All right, so 3%, up to 3% a day. I mean, we know, we just got to say what it says. The contract we did was the ox. We didn't do the other two, which is hen farming and cow farming. We did the ox because in 90 days and 33 days, you'll actually have your initial investment. But if you compound daily for 33 days, I can't even tell you what you're going to have. It's going to be way more than what you thought. You might have what your initial investment was working for you on a daily basis. So when you come in here, you just put your own link in there. To open this up, like say if you shut your computer down, open your computer back up, you want to get back to here, you got to put your link up in here. You put the link in and you go to dashboard, and then it pops up. And then you'll see the different, when you can stake, which ones that you're in. You'll see your link that lets you know that you paid. When you got money in here, your link pops up right here, right here. That's where you'll see your link. And just make sure you stick with your link, the link that your referrer gave you when you paying. And then after that, you can put your link in, and then you put it in your thing, and yours will show up. Yours will show up. The money's only going from MetaMask to here. It's not going far, and it's seconds. All right. So yesterday, this is way earlier than it was yesterday. So today we did the math, and it was supposed to be like $46 by like 3 o'clock. I don't have time to wait till 3 o'clock. It's 9:55 in the morning, but you can already see that we're on course for $40. But then some people, beautiful souls, wanted to join. So as people join you, this thing jumps up. So instead of waiting for 0.1 to come up here, we're almost at 0.2 because all the beautiful souls that joins in. We have $95.36, and you see the team is growing. And different people are putting in different amounts, and they're putting 0.21, 0.125. This is actually me. I don't know why I got me in my own back office, but 0.6, 1 BNB, 0.13. So well, actually it tells you all the transactions that have taken place. And only thing that you'll have is their address. So you got to make sure you walk them through. Set your MetaMask up. Do not do anything else until you set your MetaMask up. Go to crypto.com, buy some BNB, send it straight from crypto.com to MetaMask. You get the MetaMask wallet. I mean, it's right there. It's always sitting there right in front of you for you to know where to send it to. This is your MetaMask wallet. It's always sitting up there. It's always sitting there. So all you got to do is click that. Once you got your MetaMask, put that in your BNB withdrawal from crypto.com and send it on over. And then, so now I'm staking 0.3321. We did this yesterday in the video. So if you missed the video yesterday, we moved the 2.19 that we made yesterday and put it in here. So today we have 0.19759. So when moving this back and forth, you are going to incur fees. But don't worry about it. Look at this. Watch this. Watch this. It's coming. Wait for it. 4308. Wait for it. Boom. See? Fees paid for. Now, I'm trying to tell you, if you wait about two minutes, the fees you just spent for the transaction back and forth is going to get paid for. It's going to get paid for. I ain't going to say 2 minutes, but I don't know the actual calculations, but your fees are going to get paid for. So your fees are getting paid for as you go back and forth. So don't worry about the fees. Just move that money, move it back. Move that money, move it back. I was going to wait to 0.1, but I got to go in a few minutes, so I don't really have the time to wait. So I'm going to do this withdrawal with you beautiful people right now so you can see how it's done. This is how easy it is. And if you're watching this video for the first time and you enjoy my content and you believe that I can be a great leader for you, I have a Telegram group too that you can come to just for us and our team, showing you how to do stuff. Did a Zoom this morning, helped my brother out. Actually, found out he wasn't even on my team, but he found my Telegram link and asked for help, and I helped him out this morning because it's about helping people. It's not about me getting money from everything. It's about helping people. So you can take a, if you want to be on the team and boost this number up even more. Because then you start gaining in here, and it's when you get paid down 100 levels. So my people's. So when people start telling people on this level, then they start being on this level, then that level. But then there's 100 levels of the seed. It's just crazy, man. They pay you so many different ways in here. It's just too much. It's just too much for me to even figure it all out. So my total withdrawal is this is what I withdraw so far and put it back in here. Yeah, 0.13 BNB, which was 2. Yeah, I guess. Okay, let's go ahead and oh, that's right. I had BNB in my wallet. So when I did withdraw this, it made it go up higher. So right now we're gonna go to withdrawal. Are you sure you would like to withdraw all dividends and the referral fee? And then you click yes. And it's gonna come and just open your MetaMask. That's why you got to have that MetaMask open. You got to have it on the BSC smart chain because it opens it up for you. And then you come over here and you see that what you're going to be getting. Estimated gas fees is 0.0018. So I do have enough money in there for my gas fees. All right, so confirm. And then in a second, you move that. And it's gone. See this gone? Oh my gosh, where'd the money go? I totally withdraw is 0.3 BNB so far. So 0.3 BNB on today's market under, let's go back to MetaMask because you remember I only had like a few pennies in there. Do you see how fast that was? Do you see how fast that was? So now what we do is we take that, we want to take it. And what we do is I got 0.201. So I'm gonna try to do 0.2. Let's just see how much my fee is going to be coming back. So I'm gonna do them. We're doing ox farming, people. You can do any of these, they're all great. But I like ox farming because it's 3% a day and you can make the most money and you can flip it every 90 days. If you just want to just leave it in there. But I'm compounded to the moon because right now, if I'm making 90 some dollars, well, I know people join. So I'm really like at about 40, 50, maybe $50 a day. I want to get this thing to about $300 a day. $300 a day. And that'll be another stream of income. And obviously you got to keep putting money back in to keep opening some of these things, but sooner or later it'll work out the way I want it to work out, and I'm gonna have more BNB than I was going to have if I just brought it right now, because I wasn't gonna buy that much BNB. And when BNB price keeps going up like you see it did, you're going to make more money. All right, so I must have dropped a little. Man, you know what? All right, let me see. Let's go to stake. It's gonna let me know right off the bat. Do I got, oh man, I don't have no 2 BNB in there. You know what? Yeah, I'll try again. No, reject. All right, I meant to put 0.2. All right, now let's go to stake. Still might not have enough of that, depending on my fees. Because I know fees come in one way and fees, it was insufficient. I need to have 0.206 to do that. So what we do now is we go here and we go 1.9. Let's try 1.99. I'm trying to get as much as I can out of this one. 0.199. Okay, reject that. All right, 0.199. Insufficient. 2.205. Man. All right, let's do 1.9. Let's do 1.95. Oh, you know, I gotta keep clicking reject. But you can see that you're not messing up. It's like dummy proof. You know what I'm saying? We got 107. All right. Let's see if I can put 7. So what I need to do this time is open it back up so I can stop doing the wrong stuff. Reject. Now stake. But open back up. See if I get 0.197 up in there. Because you want to get the amount. Okay, 197 is not working. Reject it. Let's do 196. Because if I get 196, you know what I'm saying? That's a little bit more money working for me. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I know 196 is all the way over in a sense, but hey, man, it's money. It's money. We're moving money. All right, so 195 is like, that's going to be the be all that knows all. Hit this, hit reject. It's going to repopulate for the 0.195. That's enough what we have. Confirm. So 0.195. Look at this. This is where the 0.195 is going to come. So it's already making money even while we're sitting there. So Mary at point, boom, it's in there. Sit. Total withdrawal 0.3, 3.4 BNB deposit. Total withdrawal here. Right now we are farming 3.414 BNB. And let me see, I'm gonna copy that. And we're gonna go back to Metamask. And then I'm gonna show you exactly what the total is. And then I gotta bounce, people. Let's go back to, oh yeah, swap. Swap is gonna show you how much that is. 3.14, that's $1,654.87. So we take that. Open up the handy dandy calculator. Oh, I know I can do that. Huh. Okay, I like that. Paste it. Paste. And then, okay, that's a number. Now what we're trying to do is times it by 0.03 because we're trying to make 3% today. So now we have to $49 a day. $49 a day. So if people join, it boosts your income. It was supposed to be $46 today. We're already at 49, and I did this 5 hours sooner than I was supposed to do it to get to the 46. So people, and look, and it's already growing. Even while we're talking, it's growing. You see that? I'm at 20 cents. 20 cent, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. I love all those threes. 5 7 Holy Ghost, 5 7 Holy Ghost. Love all those those threes. Let's go. I'm just gonna let you look at it one more second, and then you see it grow real quick, and then I'm out. Boom. You have it. There we go. There's some sevens. I love them sevens. Seven is a completion. And 3 and 5 is 8. New beginnings. So you get your new beginning together. Let's get over here and let's get this money. All right, people. Love you. Like I said, subscribe, like, rock that bell, share these videos if you choose to. Just put CS in front of YouTube so you can take all my links off and put your links on. And then you can go ahead and use my videos. Do whatever you choose to do, or you can share them. Just telling people to make sure they use your link and don't use my link. That's pretty much it. Love you. Rock that bell, join my team. Let's get busy. I got everything. Just go straight to the Telegram group in the video, and it shows you all the videos you need to put MetaMask together. But then all the way at the bottom, just make sure you use my link. Don't use nobody else's link. Make sure you use my link. And my link is also inside the video's comments. My link is also in the video comments. All right, people. Love you. Got some stuff to do today, and I'm out. Peace.